for having to reschedule this. So thanks for accommodating the schedule.
Mhm.
Um, and then so Leyland's gonna be conducting the training. So he's gonna share his agenda.
Okay. All right. Let me share my screen here. One moment.
I don't know if you guys want to introduce yourselves first or whatever.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. I know you helped a few people already, and I want to thank you for that.
Oh, okay.
Yes. Well, first, my name is Leyland. I'm with eWorlds. I'm in charge with their word. Should I say website? The eWords, eWorlds.com, and other stuff related to eWorlds. I primarily in charge with the updating of the website and their affiliates website. I've been with them like since March this year, so it's just a freshly um, employee with eWorlds. And yes, it is my first time to be on a training or to hold a training, and the first time with working with Adrian.
Oh, okay. Hi, everyone. I'm Adrienne Hayashi. So I've been with the company for a couple years now. Actually, when I first started, I was working on this kind of doing this account management with Angel. So I think I worked with a bunch of people. But I understand you guys have a lot of new people working on updates too now. So the training is a good time to do training as well. Um, I'm a project manager. The last couple year and a half that I was helping in operations internally at eWorld, and then I'm back now working under our VP, who's Joe Bonko. And I think they've been working on this or doing updates for a while with you guys. So it's nice to return and work with you guys. I enjoy the website updates. So nice to meet you. And again, yeah, if you guys ever have requests or questions, you can always just email us. And then I'll also put my work number in the chat if you guys need to contact me. And Leyland can put his number in later as well.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. I know we have a bunch of people here. I don't know if we should introduce everyone because it might take a while, but yeah, we have people here on site. Just like two, four, five of us, and then there's a whole bunch of people online. But anyway, I guess Adrian, you can get started.
Okay.
Like, there's different levels of people are on. Some guys are advanced, some guys first time. So um,
Mm-hmm.
just want to see where everybody's at.
All
And
right.
yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Yes. Let's start the training. Let me share my screen here.
Okay.
All right. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
All right. So yeah, today is the basic WordPress and Elementor training, as what most people requested. This is just to learn the basic features of WordPress and Elementor. So right now we are going to explore the WordPress dashboard. Well, later after these slides, we are going to show you the general settings, how to customize a page or post, and also plugins. Well, yes, and yes, WordPress basic user rules. Well, most of you guys are actually editors and contributors. These are your tasks or your roles on your websites. So editors can edit, modify existing published posts and the pages, as well as contributors. While contributors can create new posts, but they must submit drafts for review to an editor and or an administrator before being published. So here you can see the difference between editors and contributors. The second one is editors can create new posts and pages and publish them on directly on the website, while contributors, yeah, they need to submit drafts before being published, and contributors as well can upload media files, but they cannot publish them directly in a post. So they need to ask permission from the editors or administrators. So editors can manage categories and tags. They can edit, create, delegate categories and tags for organizing content or text or post on their website, and the contributors can edit their own posts, but they cannot modify other users' post. So the last one is the for editor. They can approve, delete, or mark comments as spam, while contributors can moderate comments. So they can view, edit comments on their own post, but they cannot approve or delete comments. So these are the limitations, or should I say, the roles for each individual. Like as I can, well, as I saw, I saw the users on the DLIR dashboard. So these are your tasks, and if there are above conditions, you can, or conditions should I say, if you cannot do something that beyond your control, you can ask us, the administrators, or other people in your folks who are administrators there as well,
Oh,
for them
so
to assist you.
Leyland, it looks like Nancy is saying everybody here is
Hmm.
considered is an editor, so they all should be able to
Oh,
publish on their own.
okay. Oh, yes. Yep, that's good. And thank you, Adrian. So here are the WordPress user role restrictions. If you are just wondering what will be the dashboard or the menu um, tabs that you can see for each of the role that I just discussed. Well, for the administrators here on your left side, it's just a couple of tabs and couple of tools. For editor, these are just the tools that you're gonna see. All right. Okay. So since we are mainly concentrated to creating and managing content, these are for the editors. So for the editors, they can for content organization, it is a must that they need to use like templates, categories, or tags, so that it will divide, or should I say, put or place a post to a certain section or page. Like if a post is considered news, it should be tagged as news. And if the post is considered as blog, it should be just considered as blog, or the usual category that they are managing. So there's a lot of categories here in DLIR. So I will be showing that to you later. So yeah, for editors, they can create pages and post, and they can also format with it a lot of custom options, and you can upload graphics such as images that you downloaded from a website, or you can also use or add videos that you downloaded, or should I say a links from YouTube, Vimeo, Wistia, and etc., all the hosting sites that you prefer, we can insert that to, or you can insert that to any pages or posts that you published.
Oh, can I just comment the videos? It depends on the page. So you may actually have to send the request to us and have us actually embed the video once you upload it to like a third party service like YouTube.
Correct. Thank you. Okay. Just nice to know. Extending functionality of a WordPress page with plugins. So, what is a plugin? For the new one, a plugin is a piece of software that can be added to a website to extend its functionality and add new features. So, installing plugins can be installed directly from the WordPress dashboard. While previously, before 2021, I guess editors can install um, download and install plugins to a WordPress. But now it seems that WordPress has upgraded or updated, so editors can no longer install plugins because these plugins are actually good for giving like effects, functionality to the text that you added to a post or page, or to make it look good on a page. So as I said earlier, installing plugins is an administrator task. Editors and contributors don't have the capability to install or remove plugins on the WordPress dashboard. So the next thing, or the next topic that we are going to discuss, is the Elementor, which is, well, also plugin. So yes, well, some of you, or already keen or no know this Elementor. Well, Elementor is a popular WordPress plugin that provides a drag and drop page builder interface. It allows user to create and design custom web pages without any coding knowledge. So this is mostly used with Elementor. You can visually design your website by arranging like the text, images, buttons, and forms on the page in a live preview mode. So the plugin is suitable for both beginners and experienced developers. It simplifies the process of building complex layouts. So why do we use Elementor? As I mentioned earlier, it's widely used and it is a responsive design. It gives responsive design to a page or post. So it also gives great device compatibility. So the design for each screen sizes and devices without sacrificing functionality. So using Elementor in WordPress, you don't need to worry about coding a lot of putting a lot of codes on a WordPress like in an advanced level. It's just drag and drop, and you don't need to worry about the compatibility for each browsers like Safari, Google, Mozilla, and etc. etc. So yes, as I said, cross-browser compatibility. It's functional across various browsers to cater to all users. You can use this to Internet Explorer as well, or Edge. And the user experience is greatly um, appreciated. It enhances the user experience by optimizing website design for multiple devices like the mobile, smartphones, and Androids, and iOS. So yeah, for this, it's just a basic knowledge. Creating a page with Elementor. So adding a new page, if the website has, or if an administrator downloaded an Elementor plugin, whenever you post or create pages, you'll be seeing some kind of a blue button that says edit with Elementor. And that's the way you can edit directly to an Elementor editor. But if you prefer the classic editor, you can just use the blank space here and do or put the content that you're wanting to post. So once you're inside the uh, edit, or should I say Elementor editor, you'll be seeing the interface like this one, and it's going to give you the drag and drop interface and the basic elements such as the like adding text, images, and videos. So well, right now, here are the basic elements that you're going to see. Well, that's actually on the DLIR sites. However, there are two options there that are not available because of plugins incompatibility. I'm not sure with our fellow admins there. Probably there might be some kind of mismatch between the plugins. But here are the common or the basic tools or features that you're going to see for Elementor. You can use this just to place such a element like the intersection. If you're going to create some kind of a section here, a divided section, you can just put that there and insert the text with it so that it's going to be a different paragraph or so forth and so on. And you can also add images using this um, tool, the video as well, call to action buttons. You can also do or place spacer because with these tools you don't need the coding knowledge, just like adjusting the margins, adjusting the paddings. All you need to do is just use this spacer, and you can just put some numbers to it for for certain spaces that you like, and you can put Google Maps or coordinates if we are talking about posts about meeting dates and icons. So these icons can give you like you know um, user experience, great user experience just by with the great help of just images and icons. Um, that's going to make your page or post look great. So yeah, the highlighted elements are currently not available on the LIR sites due to plugins incompatibility. So like our previous training before, like way back to 2 months, seems other people can access or know Elementor. So you're not able to edit this one is actually grayed out. It's because of that incompatibility, but there is the classic editor still function. When you click the editor or the text editor, there's an edit option button that you're going to see here, and that's the time you can edit the font, the alignment of the text, and as well as the um the boldness and the the font, yeah, the font style for each text. So right now we are going to demonstrate or use the live page or the DLIR website dashboard, and after that it's going to be the question and answer. Well, along with that, you can just ask questions. So okay, so here's your dashboard. The Department of Labor and Industrial Relations. So this is going to be the dashboard. So let's just say that most of us are actually editors. So we can see a post here for us to just create post. Just click this one, or you can just hover here.
Hey,
But
Lele,
I prefer yes.
can you make your screen kind of bigger? It's hard for us to
Okay.
see.
All right.
Yeah. Thank you.
No worries.
Okay, that's pretty good. Yeah. Okay, good, yeah, thanks.
No worries. Wait, one moment. There you go. Okay. So yeah, let's just say that we are an editor as well. So for us to create post, we need to just click this post here on the left side part of the screen. So right now we are seeing a lot of previous posts that was created by Bill and yes, Bill. So for us to create, we just need to click here, add new. All right. So you can choose what the title will be. So let's just say this is a test post, and you have the option of using the Elementor or the classic editor. This is the classic editor, and this is the Elementor. So what I observed with the post that's been published by Bill seems that everything is in somewhat kind of was copied and pasted from a letter. So let's just say that we are. I'm going to just copy, or let's just say I'm going to create a letter. So one moment, let's we just put it here. Okay, so since we have a content, we can just copy and paste the text here. So all you need to do is Control V, paste the text that you wanted to post. Also, um, if you want, if for example that this has no image or logo from like the Department of Labor and Industrial Relations, all you need to do for you to upload or insert an image here is by clicking this add media. Let's wait for this to load and search for the logo. All right. Let's say, for example, that this is the logo for that post. Click that and insert it to post. All right. So sometimes the image is actually out of line. It's not aligned with the text that we have here, because since this is a professional post, we need to make it like more aligned and more professional. So for us to do that, we just need to use the alignment tool. This is the left and this is the right. So since the intro text here is in center, so we need to align this logo to center. Okay. All right. So this is the content that we just pasted earlier. And also, if you wanted to add like images, or should I say links, all you need to do is highlight this. Okay, let's just say that. Okay. All right. So for this instance, let's let's pretend that this is you wanted to share some kind of a PDF or a link to this post. All you need to do is highlight this group of text, right click, or should I say for the beginner folks, you need to just highlight this, click this icon here, insert or edit link, and just need to paste the URL of the link that you're going to share. So copy, paste it here, and apply. So here, this line is now clickable whenever we are going to publish this. And there are things that you can also, a lot of things that you can highlight as well. The website and the phone number. Well, for a phone number to be clickable on a post, there's somewhat there's a code that you need to paste it there. But for now, we are going to concentrate on the links that inserting links on a post. And if we are going to like paste or embed a video, we can just put it like here. Um, let's just say we are going to put the video here. One moment. Let's just check. Uh, pardon me. Let's say, for example, this video. If we're wanting to paste or copy this to this post, all we need to do is this is going to be there you go. It's going to be automatically show or insert the embed code here if you're going to paste it directly to the editor. But previously, WordPress don't have that feature. So right now, it automatically ingested or you know um, got the embed code from this video directly from the YouTube. So here, this is now attached to the post that we are going to publish. Let's just say that we are going to publish this post. We are going to try now or check or preview the post if everything is if it's looking good. So let's try here. For you to view or preview this post, just click this, and here's the draft that we created earlier. So here's the logo, the text, and the video, and the links as well. So if you wanted to go back, all you need to do is let's go straight here. And because whenever you preview a post, it goes directly to a new tab or new window. So this is the preview or the draft view, and this is the one that you're going to edit. So yeah, so this is the basic for basic things or basic thing you need to do for creating post on WordPress. So do you have any questions?
Leland, can you also show them if how they can access or edit a page from the browser?
Okay. All right.
Or
So yeah,
or
okay. Since we don't have any questions with the with regards to post, let's go to pages. Thank you, Adrian. So, well, right now we are going to just leave this one, save it as draft or leave it, and let's go to pages. All right. So for us to create a page, all we need to do is the same as the post. Just click this button, add new, and add the title. And you have the option to use the classic editor or the Elementor. So for this, you have the option of choosing which editor that you're going to use, and here are the tools that you can use for you to preview, save draft, publish, choose a parent, which parent or which parent page that you're going to link that page with, and the default template. So for pages like the for the DLIR website, I guess they are using the Elementor full width, or for the classic editor, just the default template. So if we're going to design this page using Elementor, always choose Elementor Canvas or Elementor Full Width. But it's recommended that you use Elementor Full Width for you to use the all the features of Elementor. But since we are just using the classic editor, we can just use the default template. And you can also add featured images here. Just click this one and choose or upload any images that the post is related to. And also, this is the way you upload the files. Just click this one and select files from your computer, or you can just choose the images from the media library. All right, for us to create a new page, let's just say that we are going to create a page related to jobs or labor. Let's just use this feature. Right, let's create the test page. Right, okay. So we are going to create the new page for this. So now we can just create or do some kind of copy and pasting from other pages, like for this. Okay. Mm. Using the classic editor here for creating pages, you can just copy and paste everything here on the classic editor, just like here. And the same thing that we did for the post. All we need to do is just copy and paste, upload, get the link. If you're going to add images or videos, you can just click this one and select any of the images here. And for videos, you can just do what I did earlier. It's the just copying the URL of WordPress, or should I say YouTube video, and pasting it here so that it will automatically just give you the layout or the thumbnail of the YouTube video. All right. So since we have created a page here, and that that this page is going to be, the title of this page is, this is a test page. So we are going to test it using the classic editor. So just save it, and let's preview. All right. So in here, on this page, you are seeing the title, the content, and the video. So it's the same as the post, but this um, page doesn't need to add like categories or tags. But with post, you need to tag them with each corresponding, you know, topics or related to, so that it will be divided to certain topic or section. So now we have created a test page with the information that we provided on the classic editor, and now we are going to create this one using the Elementor. Okay, so um this is actually the Elementor editor side. We can see the basic features here: the intersection, heading, text, image, video, buttons, and so forth and so on. And actually, I saw that that you have an Elementor Pro installed on the LIR website. You can use this you can utilize these options for your page to be great, to make it look good, and just to give a great user experience, like giving like putting some kind of slides, carousel, portfolios, and etc. And you can also share buttons or put social media buttons here. Let's say we are going to put it here. You can put Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn links directly. So for you to add this, you just need to click this, and this one, this one, and this one. So for you to use this, for this to be clickable, you need to put the links here: Facebook link, the other app here, and the LinkedIn, also the LinkedIn link here. So you have the option to change the icons, the text. Let's say, for example, that you only wanted to use this only for show this as an icon. Just click this one, and the it's going to be like this. So you can also use as a text Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. So there's a lot of features that you can use for this instance, and you can also change the shape. It can be rounded or circle, and the skin, you can also edit it: minimal, framed, box, or flat. So we added a social media button here. So just in case that you wanted to feature an event, an event here in the LIR, you can use this. You can use this feature to, showcase the company's page, where they can see a lot of photos, sharing shared photos on that event, on what's gonna be on or what's gonna be on that event. So right now we are going to, for you to add more features to this page, all you need to do is just by clicking this one. We are here again, and Yes, for let's go back here. The thing that we are not able to utilize is this heading and editor. So right now, this is the text editor. It should give us some kind of an option here, but it's grayed out. So the thing that we can only do is just use this use these tools for us to edit this um, line of text. And there you go. Same thing here. Okay. And for us to go back to the Elementor elements, just click this one. And for us to, if you wanted to just direct people to an event in Hawaii or in your location, you can just also share the Google Maps of the event just by dragging and drop this. And let's say there. So it's going to give the overview or the map of the place that the you know the event's going to happen. And there is some kind of great way to utilize this Elementor as well. If you wanted to, just feature a lot of images, we can use slides just by dragging this one to this. So we can put images here, images, text, and link just by using this feature. So if we are going to change the layout for the heading one, for the first slide, all you need to do is click here, choose any background that you wanted. So let's just pull some images here, and let's put some content. So let's just say it's the heading one or the test one, and let's go to the slide two, change the background. Test two, and let's choose background for test three. The content, here's the background, and here's the content. Test three. All right. So we have created some kind of a slide for this section. So that's the way you can just do or put some simple slideshow on this page. So for us to view this draft page, all we need to do is click this arrow up, save draft first, and click preview changes. Okay, so this is now the page that we created with the slides and the text, the map, and the social media links. So for us to go back to, you know, go back to the page, to the editor page, all we need to do is just by clicking this option, edit with Elementor. All right. So we can now edit this draft page whenever we need to. So for this topic, do you have any questions?
Hi, this is Jackie.
Hello, Jackie.
When you add the test to text to the slides, can you
Hmm.
move the placement or does it automatically go in the middle or kind of, yeah, where it is now?
Yes, we can actually edit the alignment of the text just by going here. All right, the content and for the alignment, I should say we can choose the slider options, or should I say this option, the style. For this style, we can edit the width. You can you see the changes?
Okay, can you go
And you
back and do
can,
it again?
mhm.
Sorry, I kind of
Oh
missed
yes,
that.
sorry. Yep, no worries. So click this one, go to the slide, and the you can see three tabs here: content, style, and advanced. For you to edit the alignment of this text is just by clicking this style tab, okay? And you have the option of adjusting the alignment for each slide. So let's just say the width is somewhat 65, and the position is well, the text align should be like this. We can use that option, or better, this one. And you can also choose to adjust the margin for each. You can put it like that, or the bottom, or it's better that we need to adjust it in the middle. And for horizontal position, you can put it here like the one that I did earlier, but this is just the margin. The text, what what Jackie was asking is the layout. So here's the option for you to choose or use. So for the text alignment, we can use here the text align.
Okay, thank
All
you so
right,
much. Thank
no
you.
worries. And yes, in here you can also edit the title spacing and the font and styles here. You can choose any fonts here. There's a lot of options or fonts that you can choose from. The size as well, the weight of the font, and you can transform this to uppercase, lowercase, or it's same thing, the capitalized, and the normal thing. So you can choose whatever you want. You can choose it to an uppercase style, and the style as well. It can be italic or oblique, and the decoration it can be underline, overline, line through, or none. So you can edit also the line height, the letter spacing, the line height, and the word spacing here. So yeah, if you're done with the edits from on here, you can just click this arrow up and save draft. Also, since we can see that there's a button here, we can also edit it. But before going there, you can also edit the spacing for the description, and you can also edit font, the font styles, and the weight. And for the button, here is the option for us to edit the button image. We can choose extra small, medium, extra large, or large and extra large. You can also edit the border weight. You can choose it that, thinner or thick, and the border edges as well. Going to be like rectangle or just oblong. You can also create or select or change the text color for this just by clicking this option. If you need to change it to orange, we can just by choosing the color that we wanted, and it became orange. So you can choose also to put some kind of a background color here just by choosing this type. Choose any color that you wanted. I prefer white. So there you go. And the border color you can also change it to something like that. And with this, if you're concerned about the arrow that appears here, you can also change that to any arrows that you'd like. You can also like put or change the color. You can also change the layout. It can be outside or inside. The arrow can be larger or smaller, and we can change the arrow color as well. So just choose. Let's choose red for now. There. And for the pagination, what we mean by pagination is this three dots here. We can also edit the color and the size of it just by doing these options. We can make it bigger and smaller, the color, and the color is the usual, is the normal color, and the active is the black one. We can choose the black one. We can choose color, orange color for that. Okay. All right. So right now we have we have created or edited the navigation, created or edited the button, and changed the layout of the text here on the slides. So any more questions?
Oh, I was just gonna add, if you guys have like images that need to go in here and somehow the sizing is off or anything, you can also send that to us and then we can fix it for you.
Yes.
Because sometimes the proportions don't look right when you upload it.
Just like this for the previous request that we received. Um, they wanted to change the image here, but they're unable. So what we did was just well, what they did was they sent us the this image and insert this one to this page, because it seems that it's actually the administrator side that can that this element can be edited. So if you have something that's beyond your control, just let us know and we'll be happy to assist you. All right. And yeah, just to add, for this text, for this header, um, if you have something that if you need changes, please consult or let us know so that we can make changes, because we need some kind of, or should I say, a tool, a special tool that we need to use for us to edit this, as well as the images that appears here for the carousel. Okay. And do you have any more questions?
So Leland, if they're on this
Mhm.
page here, right? and
Mm-hmm.
then they have the edit with Elementor link in the header area because they're
Yes.
on the Word
Mm-hmm.
on WordPress. They could just click that and they could edit the text, right? Certain
Correct.
text, not all of
Mm-hmm.
it. Certain
Correct.
sections of this page.
Mm-hmm. Correct. Yes. If you're an editor, you can certainly use the these options. So for this page, it seems that this has been edited through Elementor. So if once you edit a page using the Elementor, it will give you this option. If you just use the classic editor, it will only show this option for you to edit. So right now, seems that this was edited through the Elementor editor. All we need to do is just click this one, and you'll be directed to the homepage for WD. All right, there you go.
And then
All right.
for that right
Mm-hmm.
sidebar, there are
Yes.
there's a limit, right? That like isn't this
Mm-hmm.
maxed out? Is 6 is the limit.
Yes. Yes. For requesting change of text here, it should be like 3 words. Only for limited wordings, word counts, because it might cut the line or cut the title. So it should be like this, 3 words, like this one as well. So for any changes with regards to this part, please let us know so that we can assist you.
And I think
And also
it's
for
maxed out, right, Leyland? 6
yes,
is the most
correct,
links for
six,
this
correct.
particular template.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Correct.
And then like that language box,
Mm-hmm.
that's like kind of like part of the header, right? It's the
Yes.
same across all the pages
Mm-hmm.
in the
It's
section.
it's the I guess this is a template for all the pages here.
So if you
So
needed
got
to make a
mm-hmm.
change, then they would have to contact you for that.
Yes. All right. So do you have any questions? Just let me know.
Yes, as far as changing the template, I think we need to go through either Bill, myself, or maybe ETS, so that the template cannot really be changed. Just,
Um, what do you mean?
no, I mean, the admin can change it, but I mean, before anybody changes a template, can you let either Bill or myself know?
Yes,
Yeah,
correct.
just,
Mm-hmm.
yeah.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah. For us to publish this, we need to ask also permission from the admin of the DLIR, and once they approve, we are going to publish it in behalf of them. And yeah, especially the video links um, that you wanted to you wanted to change, like this part, you can actually just let us know, and we are able to, because some before they are having or gonna having issues with the copy and pasting the link. It's uneven, not that organized, so they need I just wanted to ask them to let us know, and we'll be happy to assist the or change the sizes for them to be uniformly entered or put here on this page. And with regards to as well changes, the links, well, do you have any more questions?
I just have one question. So if
Yes.
there's like a page that's no longer relevant, like the event passed, is there a way
Mhm.
that we can delete that whole post?
Oh yes, we can. Um, do you mean um adding expiration date or just deleting the whole post?
Oh, either way, like just, if it's something
Oh.
that's time sensitive and we don't want to leave
Mm-hmm.
it up in case, the date's passed. I guess if we didn't put an expiration date, we would just want to
Mm-hmm.
delete it after the event. Can you show us how to do that?
Yes, I- I'll be happy to. One moment. So let me just put it here. So let's go back. All right. So for pages that is actually expired, let's say for example the page that I created. Yeah, for you to, because once a page is published, the dates here are actually from descending, from, or should I say ascending, from past to present. So for you to edit the latest post or latest page, you just click this part or this link. It will give you the latest post that's been published. So like earlier, we created this pages. So for your question, for you to delete this one, you can click this radio button, click this arrow button, choose move to trash, and click apply.
Okay, perfect. Thank you
Mhm.
so much.
You're welcome. Yeah, and also for for events that are actually if you wanted to just add the expiration date for a page, you can just click, or you can just click this one. Let's add an expiration date to this post just by clicking this feature, enable post expiration. So we have the option here. We can choose the day, the time, and how to expire. If it's going to if it goes to draft, private, or trash. So if we wanted to just be deleted, you can just choose that option and save the post. This is actually also available on the post section here. You can create a post and set the expiration date. So all you need to do is wait for the event to be completed, and the post will be automatically move out or unpublished or trashed. So yes, there you go.
Thank
All
you.
right, you're welcome. And any more questions, please?
I did put both my contact information and Leyland's contact information into the chat. So it has our phone numbers as well as our email address. So if you have any questions or you need help with anything, you can just email us. But hey, so Bennett, did you want is a proper procedure that they're supposed to request it through you or Bill first and then it comes to us?
Yeah, we set up that
Okay.
process, yeah,
Okay.
so we can track all the time you guys use and.
Okay.
Nice.
But if you
It's,
just have a
yeah,
question, you can always just email or call us.
yeah. I think everybody's been putting me and Bill on the emails that they sent to you guys, so that'll be fine.
Oh, okay. Okay. That
Nice.
works. Anything else? And then I guess if in the future you need something specific covered, or let's say you have a new hire, we can just do training for just like an individual or a couple people too, if they need that.
Okay, I was thinking about having another session in sometime in September, if that's okay.
Okay,
For once
that
to
Yes.
just
sounds good.
the people
Certainly.
who missed today's one,
Okay,
and because we got a lot of new people, and maybe they're gonna start playing around within the next month or so, so they might have more questions.
okay, yeah, no problem.
Anybody ask questions, don't be shy. Everybody has a lot of questions, but they're holding it for next time. But any more questions? If not, I want to thank David and Adrian for this training.
You're welcome. Yes,
And
sure.
everybody, no shame. Go just ask them questions next time, or just you got to shoot them something else. Anybody
So
else?
Thank you. Yeah, I think once we start using it, then maybe the questions will come. So we'll be sure to keep in touch. But thank you so much.
yes.
Thank
Hey,
you, everyone. Nice
you.
to
Yeah.
meet you all.
All right.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you.